Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Today's video is on the top 5 best yard sprinklers. After hours of researching, we have selected these 5 best yard sprinklers and ranked them based on a few criteria like quality, price, durability, and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the links in the description below. And make sure to subscribe for more reviews like this. So without any delay, let's get started with the video. Number 1. Kadaon Lawn Sprinkler. This rotational sprinkler system by Kadaon works well in landscapes with lots of tall plants. Even though it claims to be able to cover up to 3,000 square feet, this product works best on smaller lawns and even with low water pressure. Maximum coverage is achieved by adjusting the angles of the 3 nozzles. When not in use, it should be kept out of direct sunlight to keep it in good condition. One customer said, "For such a cheap little thing, it's a powerhouse. We also use well water. Very little pressure is present. The majority of the time, sprinklers don't work properly. This device is amazing. I'm purchasing a few more so I won't have to move it around constantly." Number 2. Orbit Impact Sprinkler System. This Orbit sprinkler performs just as effectively as more expensive ones, unlike fragile sprinklers that are prone to breaking. This impact sprinkler is tripod mounted and has a maximum coverage of over 5,500 square feet and a maximum diameter of up to 85 feet. Along with the spray pattern and distance adjustments, the tripod and watering sprinkler head are also movable. According to one buyer, each leg of the stand is adjustable with 2 locks, allowing you to arch the water stream higher to throw it farther, or use it on a hill or incline to make it level. Put mine on a timer at the faucet so that it will perform all the work during the day to maintain the fresh seeds moisture. Number 3. Dramm Premium Turret Garden Sprinkler. This premium watering system by Dramm comes equipped with 9 various spray styles, giving users a wide range of choices to accommodate a variety of watering requirements. Simply position this device in a single spot on a modest lawn. Select the pattern you want it to follow, and watch as it covers anywhere from 250 to 575 square feet of space, depending on the design you choose. In order for it to function properly, this lawn sprinkler system needs to have a high water pressure that can reach up to 90 psi. Regarding the affordability of the product and the flexibility of the spraying patterns, one buyer stated in their review that they have a tiny yard with young plantings, and the ability to vary spray patterns is vital for them. We start by watering the plantings adjacent to the front of the house with a half-circle sprinkler. Then we switch to the pop-up spinner and drag the lawn sprinkler further onto the front lawn to water the rest of the grass. Number 4. Blisstime Garden Sprinkler. This Blisstime system is going to be perfect for the requirements of gardeners who have a medium vegetable garden or any plants that may be eaten. This lawn sprinkler system has 3 nozzles, 12 adjustable angles, and a circular rotating motion. When used with the appropriate water pressure, it has the potential to cover up to 845 square feet. The bottom is fabricated from ABS material that is not poisonous and is also leak-proof. One of the many reviews that was given 5 stars stated that this sprinkler is amazing. It is equipped with 2 distinct attachments, and you may spin the arms to achieve the desired range and angle for the water flow in your system. It was simple to connect to the hose, and there was no leakage during the process. Number 5. Melnor Garden Oscillating Sprinkler System. Amazon clients have given Melnor's best oscillating lawn sprinkler system consistently positive feedback, praising its many useful features and praising its adaptability. The ability to regulate the watering range of this oscillating sprinkler system for small to big lawns and irrigate a specified area to avoid soaking sidewalks or driveways is a feature that many people find to be one of the system's most appealing aspects. This model requires between 20 and 80 psi of pressure in order to function correctly. You can configure them to spray exactly where you want them to, and you can also control the amount of spray you want for each head. I adjusted the sprinkler heads so that they covered approximately half of the area while the spray was set to its maximum setting. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If so, please like and share the video. And also make sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss anything. Feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions at all. I hope to see you guys in the next video. See you later, guys.